thinking of who I am. Am I enough if I'm not a man? 'Cause I've been caught in between the masculine, the feminine. What does it even mean? Thinking that I am wrong, feel that I don't fit in. Words are not big enough to explain who I am. Why make it so hard? Why I'm falling through? 'Cause that shit ain't true. Just one of us, like one of us. You're one of us, like one of us. Who can judge me and say that I am unnatural when I clearly was made this way? Why you're so emotional? You only see what you're thinking. Clearly my world is bigger. Look into my eyes, looking through my damn eyes. Why make it so hard? Why I'm falling through? 'Cause that shit ain't true. Just one of us, like one of us. You're one of us, like one of us. Acting like I'm crazy, just one of us. Look at me, tell me like one of us. Push it up, turn it, you're one of us. Fine, and I mean like one of us. You are just one of us. You are just one of us. You are one of us. You are just one of us, like one of us. You're one of us, like one of us. Acting like I'm crazy, just one of us. Look at me, tell me like one of us. Push it up, turn it up, fine, and I mean like one of us. You're one of us, like one of us. Just one of
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
I once read a quote that said that change is the only constant. I didn't get it then, but it makes perfect sense to me now. If I had it my way, I would stick to what I know, do exactly what I've always done, and stay in my own lane. It would be easier that way, safer, a lot neater. But then I'd spend my whole life losing, because it would be just like navigating a new territory with an old map. My hope would constantly be shattered from expecting the same things from different encounters and doing the same things but expecting different results. That is why I chose to embrace change. Everything is constantly changing, but so am I. I am getting comfortable with discomfort, and I'm okay with not knowing because I'm always willing to learn. And I've finally made peace with the fact that the only thing constant is change itself.